Balancing diabetes and career in the workplace. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people around the world. In the workplace, it can be a challenge to manage the demands of a career while also managing diabetes. This article looks at the ways that employers and employees can work together to balance health and career. Employers should be aware of the risks that diabetes poses to employees. Diabetes can lead to serious health complications if not managed properly. Employers should provide support for employees with diabetes to ensure they are able to manage their condition and remain productive. This can include providing access to health resources, such as diabetes education classes and health screenings. Employees with diabetes should be proactive in managing their condition. This includes monitoring their blood sugar levels, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and taking their medications as prescribed. They should also be aware of their rights in the workplace. Employees with diabetes are protected from discrimination under the Americans with Disabilities Act. Employees with diabetes should also be aware of any accommodations that their employer may provide. For example, some employers may provide flexible scheduling, additional breaks, or modified workstations to accommodate employees with diabetes. Employers may also provide access to health resources, such as diabetes support groups or mental health services. Employees with diabetes should also be aware of the potential risks of working in certain occupations. For example, those who work in hot environments may need to take extra precautions to avoid heat exhaustion or dehydration. Employees who work in hazardous environments should also be aware of the potential risks associated with their job. Employers and employees should also be aware of the potential costs associated with managing diabetes in the workplace. Employees may need to take time off work to attend doctor's appointments or to manage their condition. Employers should also consider the costs of providing accommodations or health resources to employees with diabetes. Employers and employees should also be aware of the potential legal implications of managing diabetes in the workplace. For example, employers should be aware of the Americans with Disabilities Act and other laws that protect employees with diabetes. Employees should also be aware of their rights in the workplace and how to report any discrimination or mistreatment. Employers and employees should work together to ensure that employees with diabetes are able to manage their condition and remain productive. Employers should provide support and accommodations, while employees should be proactive in managing their condition. By working together, employers and employees can ensure that employees with diabetes can balance their health and career.